Ken Ivory from the American Lands Council. Ken, welcome back to the program, sir. You are traveling right now, as I understand it.
Yeah, good morning, Austin. I am. I'm sitting in beautiful but smoky Bozeman, Montana.
Oh, see, now I didn't even know that there were fires. I guess I saw a little bit on the federal fire map, but I don't think it's nearly as bad there as it is here. What is going on in Bozeman if it's smoky? What's the problem there?
Well, it's the same story everywhere else. Forest Service anthem, as you were leading into, I think, is burn, baby, burn, because their policies are to manage our forests for maximum combustion.
That seems to be the case. Ken, over the weekend, one of our two U.S. senators, Senator Jim Risch, was speaking publicly about this issue, and he said, listen, the fires are not getting better. They're not being controlled more effectively. They're not being extinguished more easily. The land is not being managed better. The fires are literally getting worse summer after summer. And as I've learned from you and the American Lands Council, statistically, that is accurate, is it not? I mean, he's spot on with that, I think.
Yeah, in 1983, we used to harvest something on the order of about 14 billion board feet a year, and the wildfires were less than 2 million acres. Today, we're harvesting less than 2 billion board feet a year, and the wildfires are something in excess of 10 million acres a year.
Mm-hmm. So as we have allowed trees to just fall in the forest and decay, that adds fuel to the fire. The wildfires get worse, and the timber industry declines.
Well, and it's not even the ones falling. To use an example from one of your commissioners, Commissioner Cope in Lemhi, he said, imagine you've got a pen with 500 cows in it, and you put 50 gallons of water in there and say, okay, cows, there you go. It's the same idea. I mean, they're going to die, they're going to get sick, they're going to die.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you've got a fixed pen that normally would hold 40 to 50 trees an acre, and in some instances we have over 1,000 trees to an acre, all fighting for the same scarce water. Now they're not healthy. Then when the beetles come in that normally they would repel naturally,
right.
Now they're susceptible. They're dying all throughout the forest. And so now even the standing trees, for every standing tree that is dead, you have 14 that are living, that are standing dead, that are just dead, waiting to show the signs.
Yeah. Ken Ivory heads up a nonprofit organization called the American Lands Council. It is a nonprofit group that educates people, quite frankly, all over the country about how states can actually take back control of their own land and manage it more effectively.